What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So what today we're gonna be doing is I'm gonna be installing my new springs, front and back, of course. These should bring my car down to an inch. They should bring my car down to an inch. I think the front may go down a little bit more, but my dad got them for me for Christmas, so I want to try to get them in as fast as I can because before I went to school, because my luck, I'll procrastinate and they won't get done until summer. So I'll say, let me go get the cars all set up. Alright guys, I got the car jacked up. Now all I gotta do is get the tires off, which I'm not gonna use any. Actually, I should have the tire tool here. I have special lug nuts, so I gotta use some weird socket thing here. Let's see, 21. I think they're 21, yeah. They're 21. Alright. Let me get the head. Let me go get the headband for the GoPro so then I don't be holding this and everything. Alright guys, I got the headband on. Let's even get these tires off. Alright. Looks like I'm gonna try doing a crowbar, because last time, let's see. Yeah, you fit. Alright. Oh, don't trip. Also, don't trip and fall over that. Alright. Okay. So I do the back wheels. Let's see. Last time I tried doing this. It's not the first time I tried doing this. Okay, right. Oh, it did turn? Oh, wait, hold on. We may have got something here. Oh, yeah, we got something here. Oh, thank God. Alright, just gotta kick it. Alright. Ha ha ha. Ow. Sorry. Alright. Okay, maybe. Okay. Couple good kicks and it comes right off. Look at that. For some reason, don't ask me why, but these lug nuts don't. Actually, I replaced them with this lug nut due to the fact that I had some issues with the original lug nuts. Okay. Alright, that loosened up, that loosened up. Front one's okay. Let's see if I can do this without having to jack up the front a little bit and put a piece of wood. Oh, okay, yeah. I'm gonna jack it up a little, put a piece of wood underneath there. Underneath the wheel. Alright, so now I got this wood. What I'm gonna do, put that there, lower the car back onto it. Hopefully that's enough. I don't know if that's enough or not, but we'll find out in 1 second, I guess. Alright. Oh god, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay. That was just a. Okay, I'm being weak right now. I'm scared. Oh shit. I'm turning my tire. What the? Well, that's not. Ow, that hurt. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Hold on. 1, 2. Man, these things just don't work them all. Damn! I just jumped on it and just shot off them. At least it moved? Yeah, it moved at least. Okay. At least it wasn't for nothing. Damn! At least I'm moving it. I might be... yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna need new ones. Yeah, I'm gonna need... Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna need new lug nuts after this. Oh, come on, you stupid electric steering. Alright, you're loose. You're not loose, so. Jesus Christ. Alright guys, I'll get back to you on all this after I get all the wheels off. Alright guys, well, as you see the wheels are still on it, besides one. And on this tire, this thing literally broke. I tried welding it together and it just won't hold together. So we gotta go to the store and I gotta find hopefully they sell one of these things that, I don't know. Alright, well, so what I got here, I got this, I don't know, it's an emergency lug nut remover. Hopefully it works. I've never used it before, I've never heard of these before, but let's hope. If not, we're gonna be painting calipers or we're gonna be painting tires. So, that might be what this video turns into, or part of the video. Sorry, reading text message. Alright. So when I get back to the house, I'll pick up wherever I leave off or after I try that. Alright, so I got this thing. Alright, so I got this thing right here. Apparently according to directions. Blah 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 blah. Hold lug nut and turn side counterclock until it bites, and then it just apparently just put it on here. It's supposed to like grip into it. And then it's supposed to, I guess, go down and then supposed to be able to rip it out. So let's go try it. Alright, so apparently you're supposed to put like this. Oh, wrong thing. Wrong. Actually, that's the lug nut. Okay, so this is supposed to go like this on here, I guess. I don't know. I'm gonna do it my way. I'm gonna do it my way, and my way. I love power. That at least gives me some hope. That's not a breaker bar, that's oh, around my head. Don't mind the mess here. We have had lots of projects in the past weeks. House and cars. Okay. Back of view, maybe, possibly. Possibly behind here. I don't remember seeing it in here though. I would remember seeing that back. No. Yeah. Possibilities? No. 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 No, that's not it. There's you. That's not a brake bar, but better than nothing. Yeah. No clue where that brake bar would be. It could be in the basement. Possibly in the basement. Nope, scratch my rims, scratch my rims. Nice, I knew what a breaker bar was. But you know what? We'll do a custom breaker bar. Take like that. Here, first. Okay. Take like that. I think I just broke the ratchet. Oh. Oh yeah. Nope, we didn't break the ratchet, thank God. I'll take it. All right. Okay. That's yellow. Why is that yellow? Makes no sense, but all right, I give this tool 100%. I give this tool 100% 5-star rating. That was actually. All right. Yeah. Now to get it out.
Alright, I think I'm gonna try to just loosen it up probably. Yep. Probably just loosen some books to the ground, so it's gotta be fun. Okay. I'll tell you. Good place.
Okay. So far, stomping has never. Ow! Oh! Oh! Okay. Okay. Ow! All right. Stomping has let me down. Oh. I don't know if I said that out loud, but I said stomping's never let me down. It's let me down. It just shot a damn vice at my foot. Okay. Go ahead. Damn it. Oh, I need this thing to just clamp down or something. Okay, so guys, this is not looking so good right now. I think what I'm gonna do is probably try to paint this tire here, because I have nothing else to do, and or maybe I'll just change the one spring here, because I'm already this far into it, so I may just leave the car like this for yeah, but yes, I do put a piece of wood there to help support it, because I don't like it on it, but maybe I'll just do this one spring here to see what it will look like. Yeah, so maybe I'll do that spring. I'll paint the tire here.